Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our chicken, I would normally cook more than one chicken thigh fillet at a time, but I didn't buy enough, so I need more for another recipe. So I'm just going to do a demo here with just one. So I'm just going to cut it into thirds. And if you like, you can take the fat off. I'm going to leave it on because this is some really nice pastured, free-range, organic chicken that cost me an arm and a leg. But I'm happy to pay for good quality. So I'll leave the fat on. What I'm going to do is just bash it out, so it makes it, tenderizes it, and it just makes it cook. So essentially we're making chicken minute steaks. So it just cooks so much quicker. So I'm using my potato ricer, but you could use a small saucepan, or you can do it with your hand if you like. It would be less dramatic. Or if you've got a meat mallet, that's good too. So we're going to bash it out, then just give it a good drizzle of oil. So oil the meat instead of oiling the pan, and get some salt on. And I've got my pan heating up on a really high heat. Great, so when your pan feels nice and hot, then we'll get the chicken in. And we're just going to fry it. It'll take about 2 minutes on each side, depending on how thick your chicken is and how hot your pan is. So while the chicken's cooking, I'm going to make my salsa. So I've got 100 grams, so about 3.5 ounces of each of feta and sun-dried tomatoes that I've just kind of chopped up. The feta, I just get it, and kind of break it into chunks because I think it looks nice and rustic with a knife, but you could chop it if you like, it's up to you. And then I've got a small bunch of basil here. So I'm just going to finely chop the leaves, and you want to add the basil at the kind of last minute because the leaves will go brown. Great, so basil leaves in, and then we want a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, getting that seed out, pesky seeds. And you want 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So chicken's had 2 minutes on the first side. We'll just check it. Yeah, it's looking nice and brown, so we'll turn it over. And give it another 2 minutes on this second side. So the chicken's had 2 minutes on the second side, and it's looking nice and golden, so I think we're done. So I'm just going to get it out of the pan and pop it on my plate. So chicken on the plate, and then we're going to top with our beautiful salsa that I mixed while it was cooking. Beautiful. And I should say this salsa is like so fresh and so many flavors going on. It's beautiful with eggs as well if you didn't want to have chicken, or it'd be really nice with a steak too for a bit of an Italian vibe. Then I'm just going to finish with some fresh basil leaves on the side, and we're ready. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.